LG gas range. Check the cooktop flames. This video will show you how to check the cooktop flames on a gas range. Caution: to avoid burns, wear oven mitts or use pot holders if you need to touch any part of the cooktop while it is still hot. For safety, wait until the range has cooled down before lifting grates, burner heads, or caps. Check the cooktop flames. The gas quality of the burner flames needs to be confirmed visually. Yellow flames. Flames can turn yellow if there is less oxygen in the air. This can be caused temporarily by humidity, such as from a humidifier, or wind, such as from an air conditioner or the hood. Flames should not appear yellow outside of these circumstances. Yellow tips on outer cones. This is normal for LP gas. Soft blue flames. This is normal for natural gas. All flames are too big. This can happen if the range was not correctly converted to LP gas. Contact a professional installer to correct the installation. All flames are too small. This can happen if the range was not correctly converted back to natural gas from LP gas. Contact a professional installer to correct the installation. If the flames are too small when turning on the low flame setting, you can adjust the size of the flames. 1. Turn on the burner being adjusted and adjust the setting to low. 2. Remove the knob and knob ring. 3. Insert a small, flat blade screwdriver with a minimum length of 3 and a diameter of 3/30 seconds into the opening shown. 4. Turn the valve screw counterclockwise to increase the flame size. Check the flame size as you adjust it. Note that the product is shipped with the low flame setting set to the lower limit.